Hey, what's up? If you've got a pile of old cardboard boxes and scrap paper lying around, don't toss them just yet. Today, I'm going to show you 3 super practical ways to turn that junk into cash. Trust me, you'll never look at trash the same way again. First up, let's talk about selling it as raw material. Cardboard and paper are always in demand at local recycling centers. Collect, flatten, bundle everything neatly. Once you've got a decent stack, call up your nearest recycling depot or scrap dealer. They'll weigh it and pay you by the kilo. It's simple, eco-friendly, and you're basically getting paid to clean up your space. Pro tip, keep your cardboard dry and free from food stains for better prices. Next, let's get a bit creative. DIY crafts, organizers, picture frames, funky wall art. You can sell these handmade items on Etsy or at local flea markets. People love unique, eco-friendly products. You'd be surprised how much someone will pay for a quirky desk organizer or a custom photo frame. Plus, you get to flex those creative muscles. If you're not sure where to start, just search for cardboard crafts online. There are tons of tutorials out there. Third way, packaging services. Small businesses are always hunting for affordable packaging options. Cut and reshape your old cardboard into shipping boxes, or make protective packaging. Reach out to local shop owners, online sellers, friends who run side hustles. Offer them eco-friendly budget packaging, and boom, you've got yourself a little side business. Just make sure your cardboard is sturdy and clean. So, let's recap. Sell it as raw material. Turn it into crafts. Offer packaging services. 3 ways to turn trash into treasure, all from stuff you were about to throw away. Give it a shot and let me know which method works best for you in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips to boost your income. See you in the next one.